Hey, Kathleen here. I am sharing with you this activity table that I got from my granddaughter, who is now 3.5, but I got it for her when she was about 2.5. And it's got these large blocks for building marble runs. And I just was fooling around here, but yeah, so it comes with these two chairs, extendable legs on the table so it can grow with your child. The table has these 4 sections for building. The blocks are amazing. I did go and get another set of blocks to add into this. I just felt like we needed a few more. And the other thing about this table that I'll show you is you can flip this lid and make it just a regular table, but there's also room to do water and sand. So you can see that we can just lift this up, flip it over, and set it down for just a table for using for coloring, eating, drawing, and or whatever. And you can take this off and use it as a water table, sand table. It has a drain in the middle, and it's just very, very versatile. So we've loved it. We loved having the little containers on the side, and it's just worked out great.